So let's get started now. In today's class, what we are going to learn is called as functions. You know what are functions? Anyone knows what is function?
Isn't it those things where you go like a dot and then something? And then
Yes,
the
similar.
similar.
Yes. So basically, first I will let you know the definition of the function, not actually like English definition, just what does it mean. Functions is performing a specific task. Okay, function performs a specific task. So whatever task we give it to the function, it does that exact same. Just like you have done looping things, for loop, while loop, or if else statements, or any simple mathematical programs or any other programs. Okay, they are performing that particular task, though they are not a function. Okay, we have just returned the logic for that. But now what you can do is you can write your own logics. Just like if you see any application or anything like that, you fill any application form, and what happens if you press the button called as submit? So it gets submitted, right? Yes
Yeah.
or no? It gets submitted. So that button has a particular task to take the details from that application form and put it somewhere else. So that's a task. Understanding? Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now we have used so many functions, as you said already, that a dot something or some name dot something, some functions like that. So they are all as predefined functions. Predefined in the sense Python has already defined some of the functions, not some, there are many of the functions, and we are just making use of that. Okay, so the very basic function we have is called as print. And for the annotations, just for the representation, we already know that the round brackets thing the round bracket thing is a function. So whichever name has a round brackets like this, they are treated or considered as their functions. Understanding?
Yeah.
Okay.